Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Make a Brick Warrior. Today I'll be building this. Set number 76192, Avengers Endgame Final Battle. It contains 8 minifigures if you include the Michael Ant-Man, and it contains 527 pieces. So this is actually a rebuild of this set, as I built it before and I broke it down and I put it in a bag. So what I'm doing is I'm going to do a new series where I'll build some of the old sets I have and put it on YouTube for you to see. This is actually released back in 2021 and it just recently started, I guess, last year. So they decided to release another Endgame Final Battle scene with Thanos and the 5 other female characters that showed up at the end of the movie. So I will sort the pieces and do the build. So this is the finished build of the set number 76192, Avengers Endgame Final Battle. So this is the main build, the Avengers complex. So here's the front, here's the side, here's the back, and here's the other side. So this comes with 2 side builds, the cannon and the broken part of the Avengers main complex, and of course the cannon fires. Like just like that, but I push the button on the back of this, and then inside there's some interior details where there's a table where the Avengers then have a drink, and also an electric prison where you could put Thanos in there. Of course, he comes taller than this plate right here, so he fits in there very well. And of course, you got an opening door on the front, and there's a keypad right there. Now, another side build is this van right here, used by Ant-Man, who's also known as Scott Lang, during the last Ant-Man movie, which was called Ant-Man and the Wasp. So this is the van that he comes back from the quantum realm, because he was stuck there when Thanos tapped once with his finger on the Infinity Wars, and then other people disappeared from the face of the universe. So this is the van that represents that. Of course, you have a picture like opening back, because no opening doors, and also you could put the rooftop up to put some minifigs inside. Now, for the minifigs, you get 8 total if you could Ant-Man in his micro scale size. So you get the Scarlet Witch, Iron Man, Captain America, Black Panther, Thor, Michael Ant-Man, and Thanos himself without his helmet, and a Chitauri. Now, because 4 of this minifigs comes with the alternate faces, like the Scarlet Witch, Iron Man with his visor and with his normal face, and Captain America, and Thor, his lightning face and his normal face. So when this, of course, this says has been retired, and then if you buy this at store, it costs $70. But per piece count is kind of like a little bit expensive. But then because you get 8 minifigures, if you include Michael Ant-Man, I guess I guess the price is worth a while. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe below, and I'll be linking this below to the main product page. Also, if you want to get the other Final Battle set, which came out this year, let me know and leave a comment down below. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.